Eliminex here. We're here to rescue some squirrels this morning. Let's go over here. You see some of our ground traps. We took the gutter traps down. We stopped catching them on the gutters, so now we're still using our ground traps, as you see here with the enclosures. Something was getting into this one, so I had to put a big brick on it. It looks like something got into it. Didn't trigger the. Yeah, something ate the bait inside, so I'm going to replenish with some more bait. We're going to go over here. Let's see this squirrel here. Oh, it's a possum. Hey, look, it's a possum. How you doing? Hey, how you doing? I'm gonna take him away. Release him in an appropriate spot. You see where the squirrel's going up into the soffit. You can see the staining. So far we caught about 7 creatures here in about a week. Hopefully we'll be done with these soon so I can start doing the repairs.